here we are looking at how to find the area of a segment. Now a segment, imagine we have a circle and we've got a pizza slice taken out of it. A segment is from that point to this point. If we drew a line across there, this is the segment. So it's kind of like the little crust part. Just that piece there is the segment. So we want to find the area of that part. Now you see I've got two rules written at the top of my page. I'm going to use those two rules to help me find that segment piece. So imagine, let's start off by finding, what if we wanted to know the area of that whole sector? We're going to start by using our area of a sector rule. So the area of this sector starts off with pi, and then we're going to times that by r squared. This was my r, my radius from the middle of the circle out to the edge was 5.6. So 5.6 squared, and then times by my fraction was, this was my angle, my theta, so 68 out of 360. When I type that into my calculator, I get an area of 18.61, and my units would be kilometres squared for the area. So that is for the whole sector, but I didn't want to know the whole sector, I just wanted to know that segment. So imagine I wanted to get rid of this part here. That is a triangle, right? When I take that triangle away, I'm left with the segment. So let me find the area of this triangle. I will get rid of that marking for now. Because my rule for the area of a triangle tells me that I need to have b and little c, so two side lengths, and an angle, capital A. So this is the angle that I know. I'm going to call that capital A, and then little b and little c would be on this side. Now there's no number marked there, but I know that is also the radius from the middle of the circle out to the edge. That's going to be 5.6 kilometres as well. So I do have a number there for little c. So, area of a triangle equals half, I'm following my rule up here for area of a triangle, half times little b was 5.6, times little c was 5.6 as well, times by sine, and my capital A for the angle was 68. Typing that into my calculator, I would get 14.54, and the area of the triangle, the length was kilometres, but for an area, I'm going to have that as squared. So I knew that the whole area of this sector was 18.61, but if I took away that triangle, I'm left with the segment. So to find the area of the segment, I am going to do the full sector, 18.61, and take away the triangle part, 14.54. And if I type that into my calculator, I would be left with 4.07. And again, area is kilometres squared. So that there, 4.07, is the area of that segment, that little crust piece on the outside.